The Shiba Inu is a small, compact breed that hails from Japan. This breed is often referred to as the fox dog because of its fox-like appearance, with pointed ears, a curled tail, and a beautiful double coat. The Shiba Inu is one of Japan's oldest and most beloved breeds, and their appearance is truly captivating. Their coats come in various colors, including red, black, and tan, and sesame, a mix of red and black hairs. Their sharp features, including their almond-shaped eyes and confident demeanor, add to their beauty. Despite their small size, Shiba Inus are known for their strong-willed personalities and independence. They are playful and energetic but can be aloof around strangers. Their stunning appearance, combined with their bold attitude, has made them a favorite among dog lovers worldwide.